Is crypto outperforming the market? It's been a brutal year for cryptocurrencies, with the industry shedding trillions since hitting all-time highs last year. But the crypto market isn't alone. Stocks, bonds, and many commodities were also riding high just a year ago. So what we want to know is cryptocurrency underperforming or outperforming the market? Benchmarks. It's hard to deny the picture we get when comparing benchmark indices and blue chip cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is down around 70% year on year and Ethereum around 67%. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 is down around 15% and the Dow Jones is down only around 9%. Not an inviting outlook. And the further down the cryptocurrency totem pole you go, the worse the performance. XRP is down 85%, Dogecoin 80%, and Solana around 85%. And these are 3 of the top 10 cryptocurrencies. Other benchmarks in the traditional finance world include Nasdaq, down around 30%, the Russell 2000 down 22%, and the FTSE 100 off around 3%. Comparisons. Sectors with comparable plummets in stock price, tech for example, are also worth noting. For example, Meta, the largest social media platform in the world, is down 70% year on year. Others include Google's parent company Alphabet, down around 33%, and Amazon dropping nearly around 38%. But others such as Apple have done more than okay. The Cupertino-based firm is the only stock mentioned in this article that's actually up from a year ago. Commodities. Commodities such as gold, silver, uranium or copper have likewise seen a depreciation in their prices, albeit none close to the extent of the fall endured by cryptocurrencies. Publicly listed cryptocurrency companies versus the market. The most well-known crypto companies have certainly underperformed the market, with MicroStrategy, which is now more or less a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, off around 64%, Coinbase down nearly 80%, and Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, the trust that's failed to turn into a proper exchange-traded fund, collapsing over 75%. Even banks specializing in crypto such as Silvergate and Signature have seen their stock prices tank more than traditional banking corporations, down around 70% and around 50% respectively. This is compared to their non-crypto specific rivals like JP Morgan Chase or Bank of America, only dipping 25% each. If we get more specific, cryptocurrency mining companies have fared particularly poorly. Here's a list on their performances since their respective highs last year. Riot down 75%, Bitfarms down 82%, Hive down 81%, SOS down 96%, Canaan down 65%, and Bitmining Limited down 97%. Deep cuts. All in all, the crypto industry is drastically underperforming other markets. The question that's still yet to be answered is this a sign of more pain to come for the industry, or will cryptocurrencies be blessed with an upswing as economies fall into intense recessions? For more informed news, follow us on Twitter and Google News, or listen to our investigative podcast, Innovated Blockchain City.